Hello everyone, this is Anjali URK22CS1049. In this video, I am going to explain about my experiment 8 Flutter experiment. Here I have built a student gradebook application using Flutter for the front end, and for the back end I have implemented using Firestore. Now in this experiment I am going to explain that this is my UI where I have been used by using Android Studio Pixel 8 6 device for the virtual device. And now in this experiment we have three main files: database helper dot dot, grade dot dot, main dot dot. The main dot dot is the main application for the UI interface which we are seeing here. In this we are seeing a widgets, widgets Flutter. In that, whenever an app is initializing, I am telling to run this student gradebook application which was created by me. And here the main thing is like these are the text fields which are there. So in this class it have text editing controllers like name, subject, marks and the grades. And I have been creating a search query also, so that user can have some search query text here and they can able to search. And then, so this is the normal details fetching from the, my store. So this is my store, Firestore store, which I have created student application database. Here I have three entries. Like the first entry is Bob's grade, and the second entry is about Alice, and the third entry is about Anjali. Now I want to fetch this by using the entering by users' names or by their grades. That's why I've created a search by name or subject I'm searching. So for that, this is the search query which have been entered in the text area. And initially, whenever fetching all the grade details and clearing fields, for clearing whenever an add detail is done, we'll get this one. So here I'm adding a detail like third person. So user one I'm adding with the subject of, let me give like max, and let me give marks like 100, and I'll give like O grade. So add grade. It's adding up data into this. So the grade successfully added. Once it added, the fields automatically clears. That is the uses of clear grades, clear fields and everything. Delete is like if you want to delete someone's fields, I want to delete user one's detail. So it is deleting. Updating is like if I want to update someone's grade. So here Bob's marks are 65 and grade is this. I want to change it to C grade. Sorry, want to, yeah, it was changed automatically, it was updated. Now this is the show dialog box. So whenever you are want to add something or doing, you are getting a dialog box open. So that is the usage of this dialog box. And here these are the functionalities which was been created. So this is like text field for name, subject, marks and the grade. And here I've created another search controller one which is displaying for us, for you, like this, a search controller. So search by name or subject. Here icons dot search. So this is the icons dot search functionalities. So side we have a side box that is like whenever you want, whenever you are pressing that one. So you can see like here search, that is the button. Whenever you're clicking, it automatically changes the text whatever you are giving search query. So that one converted into lowercase and send it into set query. So here we will get the all the functionalities. This is the details which was been displayed down as a grids. So it will form as a grid and it will be available to search. So here only we are searching and we are getting the details. So here all grades and this, if the grade dots where student dot name lower, if that contains a search query. So if these, if you want to see like this, in this search query the initially it was an empty, so it empties, the search query is empty, it converted in with everything is empty. So it gives all the list of the details. If suppose I'm giving like a Bob and I'm clicking on search, the search query is now Bob, so it only returning that thing. If I want to give something like and there is no grade found. So that is this if grades is not found. If suppose the search query again becomes empty and I'm clicking search, all the details were there. If you want to get it to not the name and want to get it by through their subject, I can enter the subject. Here Python is for ls. Let's search. It's telling like there is no one like Python. Let us give like max. getting Python spelling I have written wrongly. And this is the functionality of this was handled through this as the grade module, which was being created where all the feeds data type were being initialized, and the functionalities from map and to map for adding and fetching the data, and database helper dot functionality. This is where you're fetching the data. So from firebase.storm only collection is the grades. So here I have created a collection, not grades. This is my data collection which is consisting all this. So from there, whenever I want to add something, add, then it will go to map. It will add automatically. If you want to get all, so it's going to this get map and everything. Update, and delete. So hence this is the functionality. Let us see a small demo. So let us add some more things. So search. If I want to delete, let us search someone else, Alice. So we're getting the details. So hence, searching the detail, we are using a Firestore database to fetch the details and getting to know, converting all the search bar, search query into lowercase, and we are equating if it is equal, display it. Otherwise not. That is handled at here. Thank you.